Hey guys. Well, hey Quilt Nation. Quilt Marine here. Back again with a video for Rita's Racks, Ruler Racks. Say that fast 5 times and see where you get. Alright, so Rita now sent me a couple of racks for my rulers. And I am very, very appreciative of that. Thank you, Rita. So here's Rita Racks Ruler Rack. Now look, here's our site right here. They sent me some racks for my rulers. I guess someone has seen how many rulers I have, and they're like, "Oh, he needs help." Okay, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Rita. Look at, oh, that's a nice rack. Look at that. All right, now we're talking. All right, look at that. Oh, it's got like little legs on it and everything. All right, so we're gonna put some rulers on there, and you know how I am about my rulers. So we've got an omni-grid, so the omni-grid's gonna go in the back. Okay. Ooh, look at that. And I've got an Arteza in the front. That's what I'm talking about. Oh wow, look at that. That's a nice rack. I like that. Arteza. All right, so here's another ruler that I have. My half hexagon. Put that in there. Oh yeah.
Well, how many rulers does it hold?
Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots. All right, we got to shift everybody back because you know how you have your favorite of favorites. So, you know, this is my favorite right here. And that is my binding tool. And I use that the most. I love that thing. It's awesome. And that binding tool is not from Arteza. It's not from OmniGrid. It's from TQM. All right? And they make great rulers, okay? So I'll be doing a review on a couple more of her rulers here shortly. I've just been so swamped, okay? But here's another ruler. We're going to put that in there. All right. Oh, this is an Arteza. So that goes in front of the OmniGrid. All right. So Rita sent the card. You guys should go check that out. I think she's making great stuff. Look at that. That's a great looking rack there. All right. Oh, and she sent another. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. Oh, so this is the rack that you can. Oh, this is the rack that you put up, and you can stand the rulers in it. Nice. Thank you, Rita. Thank you so much. Oh, here's another one, babe. Look at this one. Oh, the mini rack. It holds a ruler, rulers, and a rotary cutter. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. And you know what? The best thing of all? Look at that right there. Good old-fashioned made in America. I'm not saying anything at all, but hey, when it's made in America, it's made right, okay? That's nice. Thank you so much. So what you'll probably see here shortly is this rack up on the wall. Oh, I found the perfect spot too, right when you come in the door right there. I'm going to put it right there. We'll put this up, and it doesn't look like there's going to be a review necessary. This stuff is, let me push my wife's hand over. Made in America, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So thank you, Rita Racks. Ruler Rack. Try to say that again 500 times. All right, that was, I really appreciate it, Rita. Thank you so much. Everybody go check her out. Check out the site. Spend a couple of bucks if you can. Oh, I had to say it because, you know, you start getting accusations. I am not being paid by Rita, all right? I just want to share. I love people who love our craft. And if you give us an opportunity, us as in a quilting nation, to try your stuff out, we'll give you an honest opinion, all right? Quilters are forward, all right? Like our stitching. That's a great line, huh? No? That's not good? Okay, all right. Anyway, thank you so much, Rita. I really appreciate it. Everybody give her a look. Go up there and check out her site and get yourself a rack. I like this, all right? Because my rack is getting overcrowded. In case you haven't noticed, I had to pull some of those down. But now that Rita sent me something to put them on, you'll start to see that pegboard a little better. All right. Thank you. And remember to subscribe. I have to say that. All right. I am paid to say that, huh, babe? You pay me? All right. Remember to subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.